Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel My Journey. Today we are going to solve accountancy questions of class 12 from DK Goyal. Chapter 2, Change in Profit Sharing Ratio among the existing partners. Today we will solve question number 3 and 4. Before starting, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start. The question is question number 3. Today we will see the valuation of goodwill average profit method. So the question is, the goodwill of a firm is valued at 4-year purchase of average profit of last 5 years. The profit of the last 5 years were 2013-14 profit 2 lakh rupees, 2014-15 its loss, so loss always shows in bracket, 2015-16 4 lakh 50,000 but including an abnormal gain of rupees 50,000, 2016-17 3 lakh 50,000 after charging an abnormal loss of rupees 90,000, and 2017-18 profit is 2 lakh 60,000. So here we have to calculate the amount of goodwill. First of all, we have to find out the total profit. So what is the total profit? So total profit equal to, we will add all the profit of the given years. So 2 lakh minus 3 lakh, because this is loss, so we have to minus it, plus 4 lakh 50,000, we have to minus abnormal gain. When there is abnormal gain, we have to subtract it, plus 3 lakh 50,000 plus 90,000, and in abnormal loss we have to add the abnormal loss. So 90,000 plus 2 lakh 60,000. Total it's coming 10 lakh rupees. So this is 10 lakh total profit. Now you have to find the average profit. So average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. So number of year here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to divide it by 5. We are getting 2 lakh rupees. And then we have to calculate the goodwill. The goodwill is equal to average profit into number of year purchase. So here number of year purchase is given 4 years purchase. So we have to multiply average profit by number of year, that is 4 years. So 2 lakh into 4, that is 8 lakh rupees. So this is the goodwill. Hope it's clear. See question number 4. Question is, X purchased the business of Y from 1st April 2019. For this purpose, goodwill is to be valued at 100% of the average annual profit of the last 4 years. The profit shows by Y's business for the last 4 years were. So 4 years profit. 31st March 2016 profit is 1 lakh rupees after debiting loss of stock by fire rupees 50,000. 31st March 2017 loss is 1 lakh 50,000, includes voluntary retirement compensation paid to 80,000 rupees. 31st March 2018 profit is 1 lakh 50,000. 31st March 2019 profit is 2 lakh rupees. Now verification of books of account revealed the following. So first is, during the year ended 31st March 2017 a machine got destroyed in accident and rupees 60,000 was written off as loss of profit and loss account. Second is, on 1st July 2017, 2 computers costing rupees 40,000 each were purchased and were debited to travelling expenses account, on which depreciation is to be charged at 10% per annum on straight line method. We have to calculate the value of goodwill. So from this question we have to adjust the profit because there is no actual profit is given. So we have to calculate the actual profit. So we have to draw like this format. This is the calculation of adjusted profit. particular years, the how many years here given, 4 years, so 2016, 17, 18 and 19. Now profit is for 2016 1 lakh rupees, in 17 1 lakh 50,000 is loss, in 18 1 lakh 50,000 profit, in 19 2 lakh rupees profit. Now we have to add all the losses or abnormal losses. So here add loss of stock by fire. Here already given in 2016 there is a loss by fire of rupees 50,000. So we have to add this 50,000 in 2016 column. Now add the voluntary retirement compensation. In 2017 there is given a voluntary retirement compensation rupees 80,000. So we have to add this in 2017 column. Now add loss by accident. So there is an accident in 2017. Here it's given during the year ended 31st March 2017 a machine got destroyed by in accident and rupees 60,000 was written off in a profit and loss account. So that amount we have to add in 2017 column. Now add the cost of computer which were wrongly charged to PL account. Here take a 1st July 2017 two computer costing rupees 40,000 each. This amount was wrongly charged to PL account. So here we have to add this 80,000. 40 into 2 it is 80,000 in 2018. Then here the depreciation 10% is charging on straight line method. So we have to less this depreciation 10% on computer. Now we will see here that the computer was purchased on 1st July 2017. This means this accounting year is 17-18. Okay, so that's why we have recorded the total amount 80,000 in 2018 because the year is ending in 2018. So now we have to charge the depreciation from 1st July 2017. Now we see when we calculate there is a depreciation in 2018 for 9 months. So 9 month depreciation it's coming 60,000. Now 6,000. 6,000 we put it in a bracket because it is loss less, this amount will be less, so that's why. And in 2019 the full depreciation, full year's depreciation is charged, that is 8,000. Now add this amount 1,50,000, it's coming 1,50,000. This amount is already it was loss, add this to 80 and 60,000 and after subtracting from 150 it's coming 10,000 negative balance, so it is given in a bracket. Now 1,50,000 plus 80,000 and subtract 6,000 from that, we get 2,24,000. 2 lakh and subtract from it 8,000 rupees, so we get 1,92,000. So this is the actual profit of the years, 4 years. Now in working note we will see the calculation of depreciation which we had seen in the earlier format calculation. So there is a depreciation in the year 2018. Total cost of computer is 80,000. 10% depreciation is charged for 9 months, so it's coming 6,000. And in the year 19 it was full year charged, so 10% on 80,000 is equal to 8,000. Now we have to calculate the goodwill, so we have to find out the total profit. So total profit for the 4 year is 1,50,000 minus 10,000 minus 2,24,000, sorry, plus 2,000 2,24,000 plus 1,92,000. Add all the positive value and subtract 10,000 from it. We are getting 5,56,000. This is the total profit. Now we have to find average profit. So in previous question we have seen that average profit is calculated on total profit by number of years. So here 4 years profit is given, so you have to divide 5,56,000 by 4. We are getting 1,39,000. Now this 1,39,000 we will use for calculating goodwill. So goodwill equal to total average profit into number of year purchase. So in question it was given that the goodwill is to be valued at 100% for the average annual profit. So here average annual profit is this one, and 100%, after calculating 100% we are getting 1,39,000. So this is the goodwill of the year. Hope it's clear. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.